All right, this statement right here, let's talk about that. First, let's speak to the obvious. A pyramid scheme is where you don't actually have a product or service. I have a product here. I don't quite understand this part. Why would I pretend to love this product? Well, all of that aside, I do actually understand your perception because I felt the same way before I tried the makeup. I was like, oh, they're gonna make me buy all the things and then sell it, and I don't want to. Just because I'm stating that I have ADHD and that I also happen to sell this makeup doesn't mean I'm using it to promote myself. Like, you're gonna notice my quirks. I may as well be honest. So do I make money off of selling this makeup? Yeah, I do. Sometimes. I'm not a millionaire though. Am I trying to recruit you to sell the makeup with the promise that you're gonna be a millionaire? No, I promise you're not gonna be a millionaire. You might be, I guess. Probably not though. So can we talk about how much money Rihanna made at the Super Bowl halftime show? All she did was pull out her little compact for 2 seconds and bam, money. Wait, does that make Rihanna a pyramid scheme? Now, I know there are many companies out there that are super sketch. Totally agree with that. And people. Some of us are just everyday people. We're just moms. That's it. Oh, I can show you my mascara though, because I don't make money on it. Anyways, all that to say, I'm kind of obsessed with this makeup. I'm just not a good liar.